to the remark that was passed by US President Joe Biden after he in fact labeled the US allies including India, Japan, Russia and China as xenophobic. In fact, External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar has now reacted to that statement, saying India is always open and welcoming and is a pluralistic nation, and it is not just not xenophobic. In fact, he's also alluded to India's growing GDP, which is currently at 7%. Let's also listen to India's External Affairs Minister, what he had to say with regards to this.
भारत ऐसा देश है, अगर आप पूरे दुनिया में ढूंढे ना, हम सबसे माने वी आर द मोस्ट ओपन सोसाइटी. आज तक मैंने इतना ओपन सोसाइटी, इतना प्लूरलिस्टिक सोसाइटी, इतना डाइवर्स सोसाइटी कभी देखा नहीं. तो मैं ये कहूँगा दैट वी आर एक्चुअली not just not xenophobic, we are the most open, most pluralistic and in many ways here the most understanding society in the world. Secondly, there was some talk about economic performance. आप जानते हैं कि हमारे यहाँ जो है जीडीपी जो है 7% पर है. आप दूसरे लोगों का जीडीपी चेक करिए, ग्रोथ रेट चेक करिए और आपको उसमें आंसर मिल जाएगा.
All right, let's quickly go across to Siddhant in just a bit, who's been tracking that story for us. But remember, the US president made that remark not just for India, but also Japan, China and Russia. Of course, Japan continues to be a crucial, significant US ally, as is India. And that remark by the US president has in fact created ripples not just in India but across the world. As we all know, Russia and China of course have a very, very strict policy when it comes to illegal immigrants. In fact, let's quickly go across to Siddhant, who is in fact bringing us the latest input. Siddhant, it's not the first time that the External Affairs Minister has countered the US allegations, such allegations which have in fact only increased of late, and he's done that on the basis of facts.
Well, look, at this point in time, since US is also heading towards election, any of the statement that a US president makes, or perhaps any of the other people in his team makes, has definitely to do. On the contrary, the remarks that US president made perhaps compared India and Japan, two of the closest allies, strategic partners of US, also partners in Quad grouping, and calling them xenophobic has really not gone down well with both the countries, India and Japan. And this is perhaps for the first time that External Affairs Minister or somebody as tall as the Office of External Affairs Ministry has responded to the remarks that President Biden made, and he said that India is the most pluralistic secular society that he has ever seen. And in fact, talking about the economic growth also, he said that India is growing at the speed of 7%. So this is a statement which is coming from the External Affairs Minister Jaishankar, and this is for the first time that India has given rebuttal to what President Biden said.
And interestingly, India's GDP is more than half of what the United States is. I think the facts speak for themselves. Many thanks to you, Siddhant, for bringing in all those inputs. And with that, it's a quick wrap from my end. Thank you so much for watching CNN News 18.